Let's see. Yeah, so question is what? If AB and CD are the smallest and largest side of a quadrilateral ABCD. Now, what is mentioned here? That AB is smallest side and CD is largest side of a quadrilateral ABCD. Out of angle B and D, decide which is greatest. So, how you're going to solve? You have to tell that angle B is greatest or angle D is greatest. In this question, you will not get a figure. I just copy pasted it from above, but you can draw any type of a quadrilateral. Okay, and then name is already given ABCD, so you have to prove that angle B and D. Which one is greatest? Shazan and Razi, how can we show which angle is greatest? Your hint is there in your diagram. Okay, that I have joined B and D. Okay, then you have got two triangles. One triangle is ABD and one triangle is BCD. Now, how can we prove that with this hint? Razi, what do you think? How can we prove this? Any idea? Razi, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So how can we prove that? We have learned so many properties of triangle. We have seen.
Yes, ma'am.
So
I think there was an axiom of the longest side opposite something.
Yeah.
Like
the longest, the side which is longest, the opposite to that, the angle will be smaller, and the side which is
yes, ma'am.
the angle opposite to it will be larger. Okay. Now in triangle, if you see in triangle ABD, okay, in triangle ABD means this triangle. Okay, I'm talking about this triangle. Okay, so in triangle ABD, write the name. Okay, so AD is greater than AB. How can I write this? AD is greater than AB. Any idea? How can I write that AD is greater than AB?
Yes, ma'am, because AB is the smallest side.
Yes, very good. That AB is the smallest side is given. Okay, so obviously if AD is the smallest side among all the four sides, so AD will be greater because we are comparing only these two. Okay, so AD will be greater than AB. Now, angle opposite to AD will be what? Angle 1. Okay, so that means angle 1 will be smaller than angle 3. Okay, angle 3 will be bigger because larger side will have the larger angle. I did the opposite. Okay, so angle 1 will be greater than angle 3. Yes? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now, okay. Now, if we have got that angle 1 is greater than angle 3. Now, you see in triangle, this one. Okay, this triangle. So, in triangle BCD. Okay, in triangle BCD, which side is given? CD. Na? So, CD is greater than BC. Why? Because CD is the largest side is given to us. See, CD is the largest side is given. Okay, therefore, the angle opposite to CD will be also greater. Okay, so CD के opposite आपका कौन सा angle है? Angle 4. No, angle 2. Okay, so angle 2 will be greater than angle 4. Okay, because opposite to BC this. Now, if you are going to add these equation 1, equation 2, adding equation 1 and 2. 1 and 2 को अगर आप ऐड करोगे तो angle 1 plus angle 2 is greater than angle 3 plus angle 4. Okay, so angle 1 plus angle 2 will give you what? Angle B, and angle 3 plus angle 4 will give you angle D. So angle B is the greatest angle. Understood? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
So let's see. Today we will finish this chapter, and from next class we are going to start with the Heron's formula. Okay? Because in most of your schools, that chapter is started. Now, if S is any point on a side QR of a triangle PQR. Okay, so I'm drawing a triangle PQR. Now, S is any point on side QR. S जो है कोई भी point है. It is not necessary that it is a midpoint. Okay, any point on side QR. Okay, show that. Now I am joining this. Now what we have to show to prove PQ plus QR plus RP is greater than 2PS. Okay, understood? Now, how can we do this question? Shazan, any idea? How can we prove that PQ plus QR plus RP is greater than 2PS?
Now first we will draw a line from the... First we will divide it into two triangles by drawing a line from between.
So see, PS is already a line between the bigger triangles. So you are already getting two triangles. Now, how can we do? Which two triangles we are going to take, Shazan?
Ma'am, PQS and PRS.
Okay, so I'm writing here in triangle PQS. Now, what we have to do in PQS? Tell me. See, it's mentioned here only. PQ
Okay, PQ
plus QS. Okay, because QR is the complete, and in PQS only QS we are getting. Okay, so we already know the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Yes or no? You have to mention the thing here. So the third side we are taking is PS.
Yes.
Because we have to show in this. Okay, Now
Unity form.
we are assuming this as equation 1.
One equation.
Yeah. Now similarly in triangle PSR, yeah, PRS, whatever you write, okay. PR
PR
plus
plus SR.
SR is greater than PS.
Yes.
This is your second equation.
Okay.
Now,
Now after this we'll add the equations.
yes, adding equation first and second. Now if you're going to add the equation, so what you will get? Q.
PR plus SR plus PQ plus QS more than 2PS.
Okay. Now if you see QS and SR, it will give you what? QR.
What, ma'am?
QS plus SR. In the diagram you say QS plus SR will give you QR.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And this will give you 2PS. It's
Okay.
easy.
Yes, ma'am. That's true.
See, everything is based on directly the formula. Okay, just a little bit you have to apply. Sometimes you may need extra construction, like in the last question. Okay, so what you have to prove, what you have to bring, and what is given, you have to relate that. Okay, and then you can use the all the theorems and prove it. Okay. Now, similarly, this one is also an easy one. Okay. Now let's see this question. Okay. Now what is saying here? What is said here? In the given figure, okay, figure is also given to you. Now let's see. In the given figure, PQ is greater than QR. Sorry, PR. Okay. So PQ जो है वो आपका this one is greater and this one is smaller in comparison. Third side के लिए कुछ भी नहीं बोला गया. We have nothing is said about the third side. Okay. So PQ is greater than PR. QS and RS are the bisectors of angle Q and R. Okay, so QS and SR are the bisectors. Okay, now respectively, then find the relation between the sides SQ and SR. Okay, so you have to find the relation between SQ and SR. So tell me how you're going to solve this question from the given information.
So we take two triangles.
Two triangles.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which two triangles?
PQR and SRQ.
Okay, and what we are going to do after that? Taking two triangles.
Ma'am, can we draw a line from the middle?
From the middle.
Ma'am, I think we can draw the line with, from P to S.
Yes, ma'am. That's
What line? P to S. What
Mhm.
line?
Yes, ma'am, P to S.
See, it's given to you. You have to show the relation between SQ and SR. Yes? And how can you show the relation? See, the angle opposite to SR is this angle. Yes? And angle opposite to SQ is this angle. Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. And we already know the relation between the angles. See, it's here. Read. PQ is greater than PR. Give the since PQ is greater than PR, therefore, if PQ is greater than PR, so what do you know? Angle R is greater than angle Q. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
because PQ के opposite
ma'am.
कौन सा angle है? आपका angle R है. और
Yes, ma'am.
PR के opposite angle है Q. Okay. Now, if we do the half, okay, because SQ and SR जो है वो angle bisector है, वो bisect कर दे रहे हैं angle. Okay. So that means if we take half of angle R will be greater than half of angle Q. Yes. I'm just
Yes, ma'am.
dividing it by 2. Nothing else I'm doing. Okay. So still angle R will be greater than angle Q. So this angle will be half of angle Q and this angle will be half of angle R. Okay. So the side opposite to half of angle R will be what? Therefore, SQ is greater than SR. Yes. You
Yes,
have to relate what is given. Okay. You have to prove that the relation you have to means you have to find out the relation between SQ and SR. And how can you establish the relation between SQ and SR? With the help of angle, maybe all the three sides. Okay. So here, as everything is given with respect of angle, so we are going to put a relationship with the help of angle. And what is the relation between angle and side? The smaller side, the side opposite to the smaller angle will be smaller. The side opposite to larger angle will be larger. Okay. And it is already given that PQ is greater than PR. And it is also given that SQ is an angle bisector and SR is also an angle bisector. Okay. So use all the given information and then relate it to what you have to find out. Okay. Now try to do this one. Okay. Now try it. In the given figure, T is a midpoint of side QR. Okay. And triangle PQR and S is a point such that T is equal to ST. T is equal to ST. Okay. Prove that PQ plus PR is greater than QS. Now you have to show this relation. How can you show? Try Razi and Shazan on your copy. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Okay. First, what you do, write what is given. Okay. Then write what you have to prove and then start proving it. Okay. Try to relate it. Got any idea how you can prove? Think about all the theorems, all the relations that we have learned, because here we are talking about relation only. PQ plus PR is greater than QS. Okay. So we are talking about relation only. So you are going to use a relation to prove this.
Ma'am, I'm doing, when I'm done, can I send it to you?
Yeah, of course you can. After doing, you can send the image. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So you're going to send in the group.
Okay, ma'am. I can send in the group.
Okay. Just when you're finished, tell me. Shazan, you also try and send me the image, and then I will explain the question.
Actually, I can't send the image. My mobile is not right now.
What?
My mobile is not with me right now. That's why I'll send you later on maybe.
Okay, I will explain just now. So you can explain me how you have done it. Okay. You can explain me.
Yeah, I'll do it later.
And all of you are doing your assignments or not? Nobody is asking any question from assignment. Are they very easy, or I explain too much in the class that you are able to do it? All the questions. Or you are not doing it? Go through your assignment. Wherever you're stuck, if you're going to solve them, then only you are practicing more.
Ma'am, can we write QR as QT plus TR?
QR as QT plus TR. Of course. That's why it is given. Shazan, got any idea how to solve it?
Wait, no. I'm just done only. I'll send you the answer on WhatsApp. I got
Okay, so let's start. So what is the relation between the three sides of a triangle? The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Yes or no? So
yes, ma'am, that's what I mean. Then it will be PQ plus PR smaller, larger than QT plus TR.
QR first, okay? Now
QT plus TR.
first you
Oh,
write
then
QR only, and after that you can write QT plus TR. Yes, now here. Now instead of see, RT is equal to ST. So you can write ST plus TQ, okay, or QT, okay. Now if you see a relation here also in this triangle, so you can write ST plus TQ is greater than QS, okay. So we can write here PQ plus PR greater than QS. Understood, Nazi? This is the way you have done it.
What, ma'am?
yes, ma'am.
This is the way you have done it.
Ma'am, I'm doing. Ma'am, in triangle QST, I wrote that QT plus TS is greater than QS.
Yeah.
And then I wrote in equation 1 and equation 2, we calculate that PQ plus PR is greater than QS. Ma'am, can I send you the picture?
Yeah, you send it, then I will check it because.
Okay, ma'am.
And Shazan, what are the different chapters that are completed in your school?
Ma'am is taking heroes for me.
The same chapters that we have completed, or more than that?
Ma'am, says means, ma'am, you have completed more.
I have completed more.
Yes, ma'am.
So just wait.
Ma'am, you are 1 or 2 chapters more than.
So number system, I think it's completed in your school. Polynomial.
Ma'am, yeah. No, ma'am, not polynomial is not completed. It's not started.
Polynomial is not taught in your school right now.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, only number system, coordinate geometry, linear equation, lines and angles.
Then
And-
geometry also. No.
No, she's going to start lines and angles. Heron's formula.
Triangle also completed.
No, not completed.
So before triangle, she has taught Heron's formula.
Yes. I mean, Heron's formula is easy. It just consists of one formula. Semi-perimeter is a plus b plus c divided by 2.
Only about this means you have to find out the area of the triangle.
It's all that one. What problems?
Ma'am, I sent.
I'm answering mine also. What's it? It is very rough and writing, so I'm not able to understand.
In triangle PQ1, PQ plus PR greater than Q1. Yeah, QT plus TR. Yeah, same way. Yeah, very good, Razi. So
Yeah.
let's see the last question, and then we have completed this chapter also. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
And then in the next class, but I will start the new chapter in the next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this question I can give homework.
Okay. Any idea how we are going to do this question? AB is 8.5 centimeter. BC is 6 centimeter and CA is 7.2 centimeter. This is given. Now how we are going to do this question?
Ma'am, I think first we'll arrange all the like interior angles.
Yeah. First we arrange
Ma'am,
it according to
like
this.
angle C is the greatest.
Yes, very good, Razi.
And then angle B is smaller than angle C, and then angle A is the smallest.
Okay. So we have arranged it according to the condition that we know that the angle opposite to the longest side will be greatest. Okay. Now if I can multiply with minus, yes, sorry. When we are going to multiply with minus, so actually their sign means the inequality will change. Okay. When we change the sign, then the inequality. Wait, here also I have written wrong. That's why. The inequality will change. Okay. Okay. Now, if you see here this angle, all the angles. Okay. So you can see that this is angle A. This is angle A, and this angle is 180 degree minus angle C. Yes. This is 180 degree minus angle B, and this is 180 degree minus angle A. Yes. So I have first multiplied with minus, because when you multiply it with minus, then the your sign changes. Okay, not sign. You can say inequality changes. So you see the above inequality and the second inequality. That's changed. Now I'm going to subtract with 100. Okay. Now it will be 180 degree minus angle B. Okay. 180 degree minus angle A. Okay. Now you will get what? If you are going to subtract this, you are going to get angle Z. If you are going to subtract with this, you are going to angle Y and this to angle X. So angle X is the greatest angle and then Y and then Z. Okay. Any doubt in this question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. First we have put the sign, multiplied with minus, and then we have added with 180. And from here only you can relate it why we have done this way, because this angle, these are all exterior angle, and it can be written in this format. Okay. So we have got the format of angle C, angle B, and angle A. Okay. So first we have put the minus sign, we have multiplied with subtraction sign. Okay. Then we have added 180 into that. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in any of the questions or anything, any concept in triangles?
I have problem in the RHS one.
What, Transi? You have problem in?
Ma'am, RHS.
RHS? Okay.
Right angle hypotenuse side.
It means you want to say the congruency?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me open it and I will explain you. Okay. Now this is the RHS. Yes. So RHS, the full form is RHS is what? A right angle hypotenuse side. Okay. So right angle, one will be the R is for right angle, H is for hypotenuse, and S is for side. So for proving the two triangles, if it is given the two triangles are right angles, so how can you prove the two right angle triangles are congruent? Means they are equal by one is the right angle. Okay. If two triangles are right angle, that means one angle is 90 degree. Okay. So it should be there. One hypotenuse, both the hypotenuse should be equal. Both the triangles hypotenuse should be the equal, largest side. Okay. And then the third is side. Side means any other side. In triangle, you have three sides. One is the hypotenuse you have already taken. So remaining are two sides. For example, in this given figure, your two sides are what? For the first triangle is PQ and opposite to PQ. In the second triangle is AB. So either you can say that angle Q is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree, PR is equal to AC, and PQ is equal to AB, or angle Q is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree, PR is equal to AC, and QR is equal to BC. Okay. So among the two sides, any side will be there, one hypotenuse will be there, and the right angle will be there. If these three conditions are there, then the congruency rule is what? RHS congruency. Through RHS congruency, you are proving the triangle are congruent. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So you have to remember, see, like SAS. SAS means side angle side. And you can see it is written also in that format. SAS means the angle should be between the two sides that you are taking. Okay. देखो format जो आपका बनाया गया name ना वो भी वैसे ही लिखा गया. If you are going to write SSA, that is wrong. SSA is different. Means two side, consecutive side, and then angle. But that rule doesn't exist for proving congruency. Okay. So SAS. AS exists. Okay. But SSA doesn't exist. SAS exists. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so we are going to end the session here because we have completed this chapter here, and in 5 minutes is not good time to start a new chapter. So I'll be starting with new chapter in the next class. And Razi, what are the chapters that are completed in your school?
Ma'am, we are still doing lines and angles.
Okay, and the above chapters before the lines and angles that are completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so triangle also not completed. Okay. Because in Advika and Shazan, Hero's formula is going on, so I'm going to start with Heron's formula. Okay. I think after that the half yearly will be over. Okay. So if no new chapter in anybody's school, then we'll start with some quick revisions and discussion of your assignment papers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye bye.